Sitting at the same old workplace. What's the point of this chase? To just bite our old tail. Wishing that something would change, that we could turn back the page and live like our favorite fairy tales. So a love so free in a world of our fantasies, flying on dragons through sky-high cities. These are childhood dreams, it's how we used to be, when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 our childhood dreams. Our childhood dreams.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me so alive.
Like that.
Hmm?
I love it just making.
You're gonna rub it in your hair. You're gonna rub. Ooh!
I.
You're gonna rub this in your hair. Yeah, mommy's just gonna rub it in your hair.
You stick on me.
It's tickle? Mm-hmm. It's okay if it falls on you. It's good for you. It's good for you.
It's not hurting
No, it's not gonna hurt you.
and it's not falling my eyes.
No, it's not. It's not falling in your eyes.
That's good. That is a jelly thing.
It's like a jelly thing.
Yeah, that's a jellyfish. Also, a jellyfish.
It's like a jellyfish.
Yes.
Yes, it is. It's like a jellyfish on
Yeah.
Ada's hair. Ada's getting jellyfish.
Thank
you, Aya.
You know
Good
what?
girl.
Jelly little.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I know we did some songs.
Good girl.
Again?
Good girl. Yay.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
It's
you're gonna do
peanut
it
butter
all.
jelly time. Hey guys!
Yes.
Hey guys! Hey guys!
Yes, Timmy.
I want to say hey to the camera.
Give me 1 second. Let's finish Ada's hair because mommy's hand is full of aloe vera.
Oh.
Woo! We lost it.
Daddy.
Yeah.
And I came into my bag.
Okay. You want to do the back?
Yeah.
Okay. Do
I'm
the back.
gonna do this.
Okay.
Use that one.
Good girl.
I'm gonna use this one. What is this?
It's got the pretty leaf. Yeah. I left the leaf.
Okay.
It's a little aloe vera leaf. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
They know that
We are
Bobby
saturated.
They know what the straw. They know what the straw.
Mhm.
Ah! Ah! So beautiful.
Mhm.
And what this is.
Mhm. So guys, good morning. Adeze is helping with her hair prep today.
Peanut butter.
That's not peanut butter. Does it look like peanut butter to you?
Yes.
So this is what we're doing with the aloe vera. I want her to, be a part of her hairstyling routine. So I like to cut it in these cubes or whatever shape they are. And she's able to grip it. It's not slipping and sliding. And she can help with, massaging it into her own hair while I also do, I kind of like show her how to do it. She's 3. I'm not expecting her to just go ahead and start doing it herself. Of course not. We're not doing that. But she's a part of her hairstyle routine, and this is it. So I'm going to let this just do its thing in her hair. I would cover it, but she's probably not going to keep it on. And then I'm going to wash her hair, and then we're going to style her hair. So that is the plan for today. So guys, welcome back to today's vlog. Thank you guys for coming back today. Today's vlog is basically my daughter's hairstyle or hair routine.
Hi.
So that's what we're doing today. If you're interested in this video, please continue to watch. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Ring the notification bell so that you don't miss an upload from us. So let's get right into the vlog.
Get out of here.
Oh, you put in the jelly.
Mom. And I have jelly. It's a slime.
It's a slime. It's aloe vera. Can you say aloe?
No.
You can't say aloe?
Yes.
Look at me and say aloe.
I.
Aloe.
I.
No,
I.
low.
I.
You just being silly.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me.
Ada, do you like your hair? You tired? I know. We're done. This is Ada's hair. We added the twist extension. Let me show your whole head. And I just put it up in a ponytail for her so that it's not in her face. Since it's fresh hair, she might not like it in her face. But this is it. Adizzy. Thank you. Thank you. You tired? Alright, let's go eat. Alright. She's excited. She's done. This is how we were doing it. You want to show them where you were sitting? She was sitting here on her brother's playset. I just put some cushion to help her. See? I took all the tubes out. Sometimes you just got to make it work. So guys, so that is it for today. I've done Ada's hair. I hope she likes it. I'm not sure why my wardrobe choice today is not working with me, but That is what it is. So this is it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.